Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset the For You feed inside the TikTok application. It's actually relatively straightforward once you know where the setting is. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing we need to do is load up the TikTok application on our mobile device. I'm on an iPhone, but this will also work even if you are using an Android device. So in order to refresh the For You section within the TikTok area of the page, well, the first thing we have to do is actually navigate to our profile. That is the bottom icon in the bottom right-hand corner. You can see a little profile icon just there. Give that a click. It's going to load up your profile. You'll see all the videos that you've uploaded, your private videos, the things you've reposted, saved, or even liked, right? But we're here to get into a reset. So in order to reset this, we actually have to go to settings. So in the top right-hand corner from here, you have the hamburger option, the three horizontal lines. Give those a click. From here, we're going to go down to where it says settings and privacy. Click on that. Now, within your settings and privacy, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find, actually, it's not all the way down. It's actually the second option right here where it says content preferences. Give that a click. It's going to load up this section right here. You'll notice that the second from last option is refresh your For You feed. Click on that. Now, this is going to load up this screen right here. And as you can kind of see, it says refresh your feed. We'll temporarily show you popular videos that you may not normally see. Watch, like, comment, and share videos so that we can learn about your preferences. 3, once refreshed, your feed should feel more personalized. Now, you click on the start button just at the bottom there. Okay, and you can see here that it's going to go through a refresh and it's going to ask you several different questions. Why did you refresh your feed? Curiosity, as example, or irrelevant content, misleading content, repetitive content, triggering content, these kind of things. You can submit that and then you can go through. Now you see you want to have this new button at the bottom. It says go for your, or at least go to For You feed. Click on that. And now your feed has been fully reset. And you're going to go through, you're going to like stuff, you're going to repost things that you do like, and it's going to learn to be more personalized to you going forward. And that is it. That is how you would go ahead and reset the For You feed within the TikTok application. If this has worked for you, let me know in the comments down below. If you're having any other issues, also let me know in the comments. Otherwise, smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.